It's a very hard to open box. Alright, this is the clone Amphibian Outbreak. And tell you what, very happy with this. Look at this bad boy. So I know it's not the original Microtech, it is a clone, but it's damn close to the original. I love how this is all pre-warned. So it looks pre-warned. Took me about an hour to break it in, so 2 days ago, I've just been doing that flat out. It's not as, it sort of does drop sharp. Not as good as this one. This one's a bit looser. See that just drop shuts, really nice. This one sort of doesn't do that. It sort of does, it's breaking in. I have oiled it, so look at that. So I love how it's all pre-worn. It makes me actually want to use it. I'm not even too scared to worry about. This one here, I'm probably a bit scared of marketing it and using it. But these Amphibian clones, both of these, this one said it was D2 blade, which it isn't D2 blade because I've just recently sharpened it. I put my own edge on it. So it comes with an edge probably half that size. Good, so this is in the aluminum handle. I actually sort of like doing that. So I sort of push that corner there, hold my pinky there, pull that down and flick it like that. It's actually a big blade. And I really love the black coating. I actually think that's a proper black coating. So I'll put you back up here. Just want to show you this. Everything is aluminium. There's no, I'm actually really happy with this buy. So this is the Outbreak Zombie version, the clone version. I really like this. It's really nice. I'm actually going to use this. We're going to go caravanning soon, and I'm going to take this out and give it a whirl. But we'll give it a go with some paper. I'll go cut some paper with this first. So, nice and sharp. So I'm really happy with that. I'll cut some wood with it. See how good we are cutting wood. Oh my god, cut some nice wood. So I'm going to put my finger up on here. That's a finger choil there. Put your finger in there, and you can put your thumb and get right into it. Oh, look at that. So one of my favourite Chinese steels is the 9cr18mov. Look at that. Let's see what we can do with the corner of this. Look at that. Chuck that out. And then we'll get see if we can cut this garden hose. Oh, this cuts it easy. Just going to do a straight cut down. Oh, so easy. Just slices it. Look at that. Just cuts it easy. Really happy with this clone. So anyway guys, I just want to show you my latest amphibian outbreak. I'm taking this camping when we go in the caravan.